Okay, so this is how to edit and create tests, levels for practice or for putting into a test on Musition. So the first thing you need to do is go on the administration page, go here to syllabus, because all of the levels that you create are within whatever syllabus. Now we've created CGS Year 10 and CGS Year 9 as a syllabus, and all that is a direct copy of that syllabus, Aurelia Musition 4, and then I'm using that as a basis to change and edit things. So again, the first part is the part that isn't quite so intuitive. You have to click over here on topics and levels, and that lets you in to the editor for every topic and every level within that syllabus. In fact, you can even change the syllabus from there if you want to jump between. Okay, so let's say we want to make a syllabus for chords for Year 10. We click on chords, and here are all the preset levels, and it tells you what they are over here. So level 1 is identify or click in major and minor chords, starting from middle C on the treble clef. So if we want to see what's actually in there, we can hit edit level. Then we get here to the editing screen, so we can see here what chords are included and what keys are included for each, treble clef, and also what question types. So either both identify and click in the chords. I find this one's a lot harder for them, so you can sometimes choose just identify there. So then if we have a look at level 2, this is usually where I start differing. Then it goes to first inversion for both of those. Because the VCE syllabus doesn't include inversions, I just click the back arrow here and get rid of those inversions. Usually then the next couple of chords I like to include is just the 3-note chords. So then I might include an augmented chord and maybe diminished, and just for the sake of it, I'll put in suspended as well. So now level 2 is all 3-note chords. But to make it a bit easier, I'll probably just make it identify the chords, and just because I think they probably should know this, I'll go up to 2 flats and 2 sharps. So that's my level 2. Then probably my next process after that would be to actually name the level so it makes sense, because it's still got the name here from, so I'd probably say suspended, augmented, diminished, major and minor. Then what I do, because the next level I want to make is the same chords, but they have to click them in, so it's harder. So then what I would do is I'd hit copy level, save me doing all that again. Now I'll move the level up so it's there, and now I'm going to call that level, let's call it 3 notes, click in.
Okay.
And then I'll probably just change and if you can think of something a bit funny to call a level, then that's always good as well, something a bit silly. Okay, now I'm going to go, now I've gone in, I'll edit that level, because that level was just a straight copy of the other one. All I'm now going to change is that. There we go. Okay. Then my next step, probably what I'd do is I'd copy that again, and I'd say 3 notes. I'm just going to call it something silly like fully pro. 3 notes. And just include something a bit silly. Then I'll edit that level, and what I'll do with this one is I'll have it both I'm going to include bass clef, and I'm going to go up to 3 sharps and 3 flats. So it's the same sort of thing, but it keeps getting harder. And then from there I'll probably go into 4-note chords for the next level. So that's pretty much it. And then I'll probably move that up. So usually by the time I finished editing these levels, they actually all just say what they are, and I find that's really useful. When you go to set the test, the name of the level actually tells you what it is. Yeah. Another useful thing is if you want to, say, use this level for Year 9s, so you don't have to make it again, you just push copy to syllabus. So if I want to put that into the Year 9 syllabus, I just push copy to syllabus, destination syllabus, you can see I've done this before. Straight to Year 9 and just push OK. And there you go, and now it's done. So now if I go and have a look at the Year 9 syllabus, there's my my level there. In fact, so for all these chords, I've actually already done them in Year 9. Quite easy just to copy over to Year 10. So that's it.
Beautiful.